You have 6 browser tabs open right now. Each one is a different career path. Your college friends are senior managers, lead developers, business owners. And you're still figuring it out. But here's the thing nobody talks about. They're standing still, and you're about to lap every single one of them. This is the 20% mastery rule. Every time you get excited about something new, that voice kicks in. Not again. You're a quitter. You're scattered. Just pick one thing. Design, marketing, coding, business. Doesn't matter what. The pattern is always the same. You dive in, get decent, then doubt creeps in, or something else catches your eye. And the guilt hits every single time. You look at people who picked one lane years ago. Clean LinkedIn profiles, clear trajectories. They explain what they do in one sentence. You? Kind of good at everything, great at nothing. And at every gathering, when someone asks, "So, what do you do?" you stumble. You feel like an imposter in a room full of people who figured it out. The worst part? You started believing something is broken in you. You scroll social media seeing 7 years doing what I love, and you don't even know what you love yet. You think you'll never make it. But here's what nobody told you. The game changed. Nobody updated the rulebook. Your parents' generation, one skill, one company, 40 years, done. Specialists ruled. The best accountant won. The best engineer won. That world is dead. It didn't die slowly, it collapsed. Right now, ChatGPT writes code. Midjourney designs logos. Artificial intelligence is eating specialists alive. Every week, another job disappears. But here's what artificial intelligence cannot do. It cannot connect psychology with marketing, with design, with storytelling. It can't see patterns that only exist when you understand different worlds. And that's exactly what you've been doing your entire life without realizing it. Companies don't want just a specialist anymore. They want one person who translates between departments. One person who sees what nobody else sees. While specialists panic, you've been accidentally training for this exact moment. Here's the framework. The 20% mastery rule. Forget being the best. You don't need it. 20% of effort delivers 80% of results. 20% in any skill makes you more capable than most people. Going from 20 to 100% wastes the remaining 80% of your time for improvements nobody notices. Why chase perfection when 20% is already powerful? Pick 3 to 5 interests that excite you and have market value. Get each to 20%. 3 months per skill, 1 course, real projects. Then stack them. That's where everything changes. Design plus psychology plus writing becomes a UX designer clients fight over. Video plus business plus teaching becomes a course creator audiences pay to follow. Writing plus SEO plus psychology becomes a content strategist nobody can replace. These aren't specialists, they're skill stackers, irreplaceable. You can hire a generic designer tomorrow. Try replacing someone who understands design and psychology and your exact industry. You can't. Elon Musk isn't the best engineer. He's 20% in physics, engineering, business, and design stacked together. Steve Jobs wasn't the best programmer. 20% in calligraphy, tech, and business combined into something unique. They didn't go deep, they stacked. That's the secret. The internet rewards what's different. Millions of designers compete and lose every day. But someone combining design with psychology with a specific niche? Rare. When you're the only one doing what you do, you stop competing on price. you just win. Here's what you do today. Write down every interest you've ever had. Don't filter. Now circle 3 to 5 that excite you and have real market demand. Passion without money is a hobby. Money without passion is misery. You need both. Months 1 through 3, master your first skill to 20%. One course, real projects. Good enough someone would pay you. Months 4 through 6, add your second skill. Stack it with the first. Find the overlap. Build projects using both. Months 7 through 9, add the third. Stack all 3. Now you have something nobody else has. By month 9, you're not behind. You're rare. You're irreplaceable. While specialists fear AI, you translate between worlds. You connect dots nobody else sees. You are not behind. You never were. You're not broken or lazy or scattered. You were playing a different game with someone else's old rules. Stop apologizing. Start stacking. Master enough to be valuable. Stack to be irreplaceable. That's the 20% mastery rule. The future doesn't belong to specialists. It belongs to skill stackers, the connectors, the translators. The future belongs to you. Subscribe now. Next video is the exact 90-day roadmap to build your first skill stack. Don't miss it. Welcome to your future.